Haka sngi balang jong taiew symbud myntri rangbah ke jylla Bah Prestone Tynsong ula pyntip lyngba kilat pathai khubor halor ke jingthmu jong Sorkar ban Pynkynriah no iki Nongshong shnong jong Them Ïew Mawlong kawei pat ke jaka kabala pynkhreh na bynta jong ki Haba kren bekilat pathai khubor Bah Prestone Tynsong ula iathuh baka Sorkar jylla shen kan sa Pynkynriah no yaki Nongshong shnong Them Ïew Mawlong nakatei ke jaka shaka office barem ka Shillong Municipal Board Bivar Road Shillong Shushu iathuh baka Sorkar kan sakhot biang yaki dikhot ka high level committee batru yaki dikhot ka Harijan Panchayat Committee ban pyntip halor ka nigi jingthmu hakajuk kapor usembut menteri rangbah ke jylla iathuh ru baka Sorkar kalapha ek urban affairs department bakan pynkhreh ek detailed project report halor ke jingshnai ki jaka sa na bynta ki lyngba Saupo artli ki longying ka Them Ïew Mawlong ha ka jaka jong ka office barem ka Shillong Municipal Board.
This afternoon we had a meeting with the officials from the Urban Affairs, where the Honorable Minister of Urban Affairs is also here in the meeting, and with the Shillong Municipal Board as well as from the DC Revenue. So ultimately, I'm happy to inform you that after taking into consideration all issues, so today we have finalized the location identified by Urban Affairs Department for relocating our friends from Mawlong, from the sweeper lane, Ïew Mawlong. We have decided now that the relocation will be shifted in the existing quarters of the sweepers here just opposite the LO quarter, which is, I think you all know. Right now, of course, we are also converted into the temporary office of Shillong Municipal Board. And now we have decided, and the Urban Affairs Department has brought all the details, and then we finalize that relocation will take place in the same existing place. This is one issue which I would like to inform you. And the second issue is again, roughly Urban Affairs Department has already shown all the details of the building which needs to be constructed over there, and I'm happy to inform you that as per the technical report given by the Urban Affairs Department, it is possible to accommodate all the 342 families in the same place itself. So these are the two issues where we discuss, and now again I have instructed Urban Affairs Department to further bring us all the details of drawing, estimate how much it will cost for construction of these quarters, and that we have instructed the Urban Affairs Department as long as also with the Shillong Municipal Board to again submit to us all the details, and thereafter I will have a meeting with the HPC, Harijan Committee, maybe most likely towards the end of this month.